Hello and welcome to Startup India to Innofest 2.0 curated by Fusey along with Poddar Group of Institutions. I'm Anuradha Ghosh and I welcome all the spectators here. Today I have Mr. Khalid Wani with me. Khalid Wani sir, I welcome you to Innofest, and he's such a wonderful speaker and such wonderful stage presence he has that I'm going to quickly hand over the mic to him and ask him, how does he feel to be at an event with such rush of energies from the youngsters, investors, startup builders, innovative ideas all around us? Khalid sir.
Thank you first of all having me here. It's an honor, and to be surrounded by the future of our country in itself is a huge responsibility. And I feel when I was growing up, I did not have the exposure that the current generation has. So the reason why I like to do what I do by visiting colleges is so that the students can have that mover's advantage by learning from our experiences, so that what took us maybe twice the time, it could take them half the time by getting an exposure. As ma'am mentioned, it's a conglomerate of startups, investors, and people from diverse backgrounds and industries. And I feel this is a great initiative. And if it was there in my time, I think what I achieved in 22 years, maybe I would have achieved it in 10 years. But as they say, that is the generation gap. And I feel happy for them. And I would like to request all the students to not hesitate to reach out to me, because I'm very much available. I'm very much vocal to help you guys unconditionally, because I feel it's important to also give back to the society, because it also helps you build the nation. And the maximum population currently is of the youth, and I feel we as a young country also will be the next big power economically, and it's in the hands of the youth. So the responsibility is upon our shoulders also. So we are doing our bit, and I'm glad I'm here to share my 2 bits with all of them.
Thank you so much, Khalid sir. Thank you for being such an integral part of Innofest 2.0 curated by Fusey along with Poddar Group of Institutions. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.